Now I have laid the floor out, I have cut it, laid it out. Now I'm going to secure it to the floor by using a double-sided adhesive tape called Rhino Grip. They say it works just as good as your cement or adhesive. So we're going to try it and see how it works. I'm going to show you how it's done. Before laying down your tape grip, you have to make sure that your surface is smooth and clear up all debris. When laying down your tape, you necessarily do not tape over the whole floor, just in key areas, such as heavy objects as your stove, your dishwasher, and your refrigerator, and doorways and corners. So I have a layer strip in front of my dishwasher here, and also in the corner here. So once you have your tape laid, you peel off the top, the strip. And you lay your towel back down. I need somebody to lift this up. Okay. Alright. So I pre-taped all the corners on the vinyl, and I also put an X in the middle of the floor. Now I'm going to pull these tapes up, and I'm going to start laying back my floor down. You can see how the strip, the double-sided adhesive strip, on the floor. Well, that concludes this project. I hope these 3 videos were somewhat helpful to you. I have many more home improvement projects I have to do, and if you feel free to subscribe to my YouTube website, and when I take on those projects, you'll be notified of them. So the next time, thanks for tuning in.